In this video, I will demonstrate how to create circles and arcs using the circle center point and the arc endpoints commands. The circle center point command allows you to create circles that you know the radius or diameter and the center point location. To open the command from the wireframe tab, I will select circle center point. There are two ways in which you can create a circle. One option is to pick the center location. In my case, I already have a point for the center location. You can also enter coordinates. And then just drag the cursor out and click again to just sketch the circle. In the circle center point panel, you can update the radius, in our case 1 inch. Press and enter, and it's going to be updated in the graphics window too. Note that the radius and the diameter are linked together. Once you enter the value of one of them, the other will be automatically updated. Another thing that I want you to note is that the circle is live because it is displayed in the light blue color. You can still change its radius or diameter at this time. If I change the radius, for example, to 0.75 and then press and enter, you will see the circle updated with the new radius. I'm just going to type in again the 1 inch radius and press another enter to finish the circle. Another way is to enter the radius first or diameter. In our case, we know the diameter, which is 1 inch. Press and enter, and then select the circle center point from the graphics window. Again, I'm going to press and enter to finish the circle. And to create multiple circles that have the same diameter, you have to enter first the diameter. In our case, it's 0.5. Press and enter, and then lock it. And just select the center of the circles. OK to exit this command. In the second example, I will create two arcs with a radius 0.25 using the arc endpoints command. From the wireframe tab, if I click on the arrow, it will open the drop-down menu and I can select the arc endpoints command. Again, I'm going to demonstrate the two ways of creating the arcs using the endpoints. First, from the graphic windows, I'm going to pick the first endpoint, the second endpoint, and then I'm going to select a third point, which will dictate on which side the arc will be created. In the arc endpoints, I can update the radius, in our case, 1/4 inch. Press and enter, it's been updated. I will press another enter, and the arc is going to be finished. The other way is to enter the radius first, 0.25, enter, and then just select the endpoint. Mastercam shows all the options to create the arc right now. You have to choose which one you want to keep. I'm going to click on the one that I need to keep. OK to exit the command, or you can press escape. And this concludes the video on how to create circles and arcs using the circle center point and the arc endpoints command.